One quiet afternoon, I found myself visiting an old family friend, a retired doctor with nearly a century's worth of stories and wisdom. As we sipped tea, he looked at me with a familiar twinkle in his eye, leaned in and said, "You know, there's one remedy I've always relied on. It's simple, but incredibly powerful." This doctor intrigued me. With years of experience behind him, he had seen it all, from the latest treatments to age-old cures. When he shared his secret with me, a blend of honey, garlic, and a few drops of lemon, I couldn't help but feel a mix of surprise and curiosity. He recounted stories of patients who had seen remarkable results, and even his own experience using this mixture for health challenges. I listened intently, noting down every detail, eager to understand how something so simple could be so effective. After conducting my own research and consulting with others, I realized he was onto something powerful. So, my friend, if you're like me, over 50 or even past 60, stay with me. Today, I'll share everything I've learned about this timeless remedy. Let's dive in together. Aids in respiratory health. Breathing deeply and fully, something we often take for granted, can become a challenge with respiratory issues like seasonal allergies, mild asthma, or even just occasional congestion. But, my friend, this blend of honey, garlic, and a few drops of lemon may be just what you need to open up those airways naturally. Lemon's high vitamin C and antioxidant content, combined with honey's soothing properties, can help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe freely. Garlic, known for its antibacterial and antiviral qualities, supports the immune system in fending off potential respiratory irritants. Together, this combination works almost like a natural cleanser for your airways. To try it, mix a teaspoon of honey, a clove of finely minced garlic, and add 5 drops of fresh lemon juice. Stir it well and take it after a warm meal or right before bed to allow its effects to settle as you rest. Those who've tried it say they wake up with a clearer, more open feeling in their lungs. A small but significant boost to help you breathe easier each day. Natural relief for persistent coughs. A lingering cough can feel like it's taking over your day and even your nights. Maybe you've tried all the usual remedies, but that tickle just won't go away. This simple mixture of honey, garlic, and lemon can be a gentle yet effective answer. You see, honey coats and soothes the throat, garlic brings its powerful antibacterial properties, and lemon juice, rich in vitamin C, helps to fend off further infection while boosting immunity. The result? A triple action remedy that works harmoniously to calm that annoying cough naturally. Imagine it as your evening routine. After dinner, you blend a teaspoon of honey, half a clove of finely chopped garlic, and about 7 drops of lemon juice. The consistency may be thick, but this helps it cling to your throat, providing relief and support. Take this each night before bed, and you might notice your throat feeling calmer and more at ease within a few days. Many people have found that this simple habit reduces their cough symptoms and even helps them sleep more soundly, free from those disruptive nighttime coughs. I forgot to mention earlier that some health conditions require avoiding this mixture. So stay with me, and I'll explain shortly, my friend. I hope to be easy on your patience, and that you'll stick with me until the end. Reduces inflammation and joint discomfort. Joint pain, especially as we age, can feel like a stubborn companion, affecting everything from our mobility to our mood. Inflammation often plays a big part in joint discomfort, and this honey, garlic, and lemon mix can offer gentle but steady relief. Lemon contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds, while honey's antioxidants work to reduce oxidative stress in the body. Garlic's sulfur compounds also act as an anti-inflammatory, helping to ease the soreness and stiffness associated with conditions like arthritis. This trifecta doesn't just soothe discomfort, but helps fight the root cause of the inflammation itself. For best results, Prepare this mix in the morning. A teaspoon of honey, half a clove of finely chopped garlic, and those precious 5 drops of lemon juice. Take it consistently before breakfast, giving your body time to absorb its nutrients throughout the day. Those who stick to this simple routine often notice a gradual easing of joint pain and improved comfort in their daily movements, making it a small step toward better joint health. Revitalizes and brightens skin naturally. As we age, our skin often loses that youthful glow. The effects of sun exposure, stress, and even pollutants can leave it looking tired or dull. Many seek out complicated skincare products, but here's something simpler yet powerful. A mix of honey, garlic, and lemon that can work wonders from the inside out. Lemon is known for brightening the skin and reducing dark spots. Honey is a natural moisturizer, and garlic, believe it or not, packs antioxidants that protect against skin-damaging free radicals. Together, this trio helps boost skin health and gives it a vibrant, healthy look. For the best results, try taking this blend in the morning. Mix a teaspoon of honey with half a clove of finely chopped garlic, then squeeze in a few drops of lemon juice. Taking it with breakfast can help your body absorb these nutrients and put them to work all day long. Over time, you might notice subtle changes. Skin that feels hydrated, looks refreshed, and has a natural glow. Consider it a simple, daily commitment to healthy, radiant skin, and soon enough, friends and family might start asking you for your secret. Supports heart health. Naturally, heart health becomes more crucial as the years pass, and many of us are keen to find natural ways to support our cardiovascular system. This simple blend of honey, garlic, and lemon may be just the support you're looking for. Garlic is known to help reduce cholesterol levels due to a compound called allicin, which may help prevent plaque buildup in arteries. Honey, rich in antioxidants, can aid in protecting the heart by reducing oxidative stress, while lemon contributes vitamin C to strengthen blood vessels and promote good circulation. To use, try mixing 1 teaspoon of honey with half a clove of crushed garlic and about 5 drops of lemon juice. Take it in the morning on an empty stomach. As some studies suggest, this is the best time for nutrient absorption. Make this a daily habit, and you might notice small but significant changes in energy and vitality over time, along with a sense of assurance that you're supporting your heart in a natural, gentle way. A natural energy booster. Feeling a little sluggish as the day wears on? This honey, garlic, and lemon mix might be just the pick-me-up you need. Garlic has properties that can help improve blood circulation, making sure oxygen and nutrients reach your cells efficiently, while honey provides a quick source of natural energy without the sugar spike and crash. Add lemon's refreshing zing, which can help alkalize the body and reduce fatigue. And you have a powerful blend that supports sustainable energy throughout the day. Here's an easy way to enjoy it. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey and a pinch of crushed garlic, and squeeze about 7 drops of fresh lemon juice. Take this blend mid-morning or whenever you need a gentle boost. Over time, this natural remedy may leave you feeling revitalized, clearer-minded, and better able to tackle your day. Some people even find that this mixture, taken regularly, helps them feel lighter and more focused without relying on coffee or sugary snacks. Eases joint stiffness. Joint pain and stiffness can make even the simplest movements feel challenging, especially with age. This natural remedy of honey, garlic, and lemon may provide a comforting solution. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce joint pain by easing swelling and improving mobility over time. Honey adds a natural soothing effect, while lemon's antioxidants and vitamin C work to strengthen joint tissues, offering a more holistic approach to joint health. To incorporate this remedy, try blending 1 teaspoon of honey with a half clove of crushed garlic and 7 drops of lemon juice. Take it before breakfast each day to gently support your joints. Many people have shared stories of feeling more agile and experiencing fewer aches after adding this mixture into their routine. finding relief in a way that aligns with their daily rhythm and without extra effort. Enhances digestive health. Digestive issues, from bloating to sluggish digestion, can often disrupt our day-to-day comfort. This blend of honey, garlic, and lemon may offer some much-needed support. Garlic encourages the production of digestive enzymes, helping to break down food more efficiently, while honey soothes the stomach lining and combats any unwanted bacteria. Lemon, with its alkalizing effect, further aids in balancing stomach acidity, reducing discomfort, and supporting smooth digestion. For the best results, mix 1 teaspoon of honey, a small pinch of crushed garlic, and about 5 drops of lemon juice. Taking it after breakfast allows this blend to work throughout the day, helping you feel lighter and more comfortable. Some people find that it helps reduce bloating and keeps digestion regular, which makes all the difference in enjoying meals and staying active. Supports cardiovascular health. Heart health becomes an even greater priority as we grow older, and this simple blend of honey, garlic, and lemon can offer support where it's most needed. Garlic is known to help improve blood flow and may reduce arterial stiffness, helping the heart function more smoothly. Honey adds a gentle boost by offering natural energy and antioxidants, while lemon contributes by assisting in managing cholesterol levels, which can be especially important with age. So, my friend, if maintaining a healthy heart is on your list, try taking 1 teaspoon of honey mixed with half a clove of crushed garlic and 7 drops of lemon juice each morning. Not only is this blend easy to make, but it's also easy to incorporate into your day without any fuss. Many have found that it not only supports heart health, but also adds a touch of vitality to their routine, providing a small but meaningful step toward well-being. Relieves nasal congestion. Do you often wake up with that annoying feeling of a blocked nose, especially during seasonal changes? This honey, garlic, and lemon blend can work wonders in helping ease nasal congestion. Garlic's natural antibacterial properties fight off harmful pathogens that can contribute to congestion, while lemon's vitamin C content boosts immunity and reduces inflammation in nasal passages. Honey, as always, adds a gentle, soothing layer, helping to coat and calm the throat while aiding in clearing out blocked airways. To get the most relief, try adding a teaspoon of honey, a small clove of crushed garlic, and a few drops of lemon juice to a glass of warm water. Drink it slowly before bed, allowing the warmth to ease congestion and prepare your respiratory system for a comfortable night's rest. Many have found that this simple nighttime ritual helps them wake up feeling clearer and ready to start the day without the hassle of a blocked nose. Promotes liver health. Supporting liver health is essential, especially as we grow older and our body's ability to detoxify can become less efficient. This mix of honey, garlic, and lemon can be a natural aid in liver detoxification. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that stimulate liver enzymes, helping flush out toxins more effectively. Meanwhile, lemon helps balance the body's pH and supplies antioxidants, which aid in protecting liver cells. Honey, known for its gentle detoxifying effects, completes the mix by supporting overall liver function and energy levels. For optimal results, prepare this blend first thing in the morning by mixing a teaspoon of honey, half a clove of finely chopped garlic, and around 7 drops of lemon juice in a cup of warm water. Sipping this slowly can help start your day with a gentle liver cleanse, keeping you feeling energized and ready to face whatever the day holds. Many people have found that by including this simple drink in their morning routine, they experience improved digestion, clearer skin, and a sense of revitalized energy. When to avoid this mixture and the best time to use it. While this honey, garlic, and lemon blend offers remarkable benefits, there are certain times and conditions when caution is essential. For instance, my friend, if you have a sensitive stomach or suffer from acid reflux, the acidity from lemon could potentially aggravate these symptoms. It's also worth noting that garlic, while wonderful for health, can be a bit strong on the stomach, especially when taken in the morning on an empty stomach. If you have low blood pressure, you might want to avoid this mixture, as garlic can naturally lower blood pressure levels, and combining it with honey could intensify this effect. For those on blood-thinning medication, please consult your doctor first, as garlic's natural anticoagulant properties can interact with these medications. Now, if you're wondering about the best time to take this blend after breakfast is ideal. Taking it after a balanced meal allows your body to better absorb its benefits while giving you the opportunity to monitor how your body responds. Starting with a smaller dose, perhaps a half teaspoon of honey with fewer drops of lemon, can be a gentle way to introduce this blend to your daily routine. And remember, sometimes the most valuable tips are best shared. So if you found this useful, consider passing it along to friends and family on WhatsApp to spread the benefits far and wide. Sometimes the simplest routines can make the most profound impact when shared with loved ones.